Hi, welcome. Today we'll be showing you how to navigate our cleaning services. You're going to first go onto our website. It's going to be under freshoraclean.com. As you can see, this is our main page. It tells you more about our service. For now, we have 2 cleaning services. Here's our location and our hours. Today we're going to mainly be focusing on the rental cleaning service. So you're just going to click right down here to the rental service. And then it'll take you right to our options and what type of services we do. We do it for a studio and 1 bathroom, all the way to like 4 bedroom, 2 bath. We have many options to choose from. You can click 1 or as many as you like, and you're just going to select add if you scroll right down. And you can also add any additional cleaning services to your appointment before you book it. And then on the right, it's going to tell you your total, and you're just going to click next. Alright, and then it tells you what days you're going to be able to pick and what time. For now, we're going to pick the 1 p.m. and you can add your phone number after clicking next, and your email. And then we usually just put your card on file, not to charge you then, but it usually charges you after. We also do have a cancellation policy where we give you time in advance, but if it's canceled to last minute, then we will charge you a fee. And then you're just going to scroll back up, and on the right hand side, you're going to see it's going to show you your total, including the taxes, and you just click book appointment. And then after you book the appointment, you're automatically going to get updates and messages sent to your number on text. And then you can click back, and you can also see under my bookings, you're going to be able to see your appointment there too.